last conversation with mother?
Ako, Tito Boy, November of last year.
How was that? What did you talk about?
Tito Boy, alam mo, nakakatuwa kasi her mind was very sharp. She was making fun of my mga dance moves sa Always Snooki. Ginagaya niya pa, Tito Boy. So, talaga, I never expected for this to happen. Kasi if you were to look at her from the outside, si mother magaling, she's strong eh. So she maybe put up that front na, I'm okay, para hindi kami mapanghinaan ng loob. So she was talking to Dina and myself, Leo was with us, na casual lang, though we've noticed na yung voice niya nag-change.
At madalas kang masabihan na ang ganda-ganda mo pa rin. I'm sure si Miss Bo sinasabihan, di ba?
Talaga,
She would usually tell you that.
Totoo.
Maganda ka pa rin.
Exacto, Tito Boy.
Si Mother Lily kasi.
Last, yung pagkikita, medyo matagal na, naging busy ka sa politics.
Sa politics. Pero Kuya Boy, nung nalaman ko na may cancer siya, nasad ako, siguro ang inaano ko ng is prayers para sa kanya.
Kung meron kayong ipagpapasalamat, paano kayo binago? How your lives were changed and touched by mother? Paano niyo pasasalamatan siya? Ikaw, Ness.
Ako, gusto kong pasalamatan si mother sa sobrang alaga niya po sa akin nung time na yon. Bumaba man yung career ko, tumaas kasi po 3 beses ako nanganak, bumalik po ako nanganak.
Naroon pa rin siya.
Bumalik po ako, never po akong pinabayaan ni Mother Lily. Down po ako, walang-wala ako, ang una pong tumutulong sa akin si Mother Lily. Hindi mo na ho kailangan hingian. Pero mararamdaman niya dahil ang nanay na namin po siya eh. You know si Mother, maski matagal ka niya nakita, pero pag nalaman niya may problema ka, nandyan. Kaya ho, yung nalaman ko na may sakit siya, sabi ko, nako, ang daming masasaktan nito. Ang sabing kawawan man, ang daming mga artista to, sana nakita niya, matutulungan pa niya.
At saka nagluluksa talagang industriya. Cookie, ikaw?
Tito Boy, on a serious note, here we are yung reminiscing yung mga patawa ni
Remembering
Mother.
her, yeah.
Remembering fondly. But, you know, the other side of Mother Lily is that she's so maternal to a fault sometimes sa akin, ha, Tito Boy. I mean, siguro I want to take this, I know she's still here with us, to say sorry also. Kasi, you know, Tito Boy, syempre, may mga times din akong napagdaanan na naging, ano rin ako siguro medyo problematic. But Mother was always there to understand, to be by my side. There was a time na talagang nasa sala siya natutulog just to make me feel that she's supporting me, just to snap me out of the depression. And very gracious siya in every way.
She nurtured you.
She nurtured me.
Right.
And if it were not for Mother Lily, nagpakasangkapan sa Panginoon na tulungan kami, hindi siguro magiging maayos sa mga buhay namin ngayon.
Okay. Mother, ay hindi magugustuhan yan if I don't do fast talk kahit maikli. Parati niyang sinasabi yun. Okay? Kaya mabilis na mabilis. Babies, mommies.
Babies.
Royal, regal.
Royal.
Underage, overage.
Underage.
Sa mga regal babies, sino ang laging natitilian?
Ako.
Sino ang pinaka-favorite? Wala, no?
Wala.
Sino ang pinaka-pasaway?
Ako.
Sino ang madalas mag-advance? Tama siguro si Mother. Sino ang sinuspend? Wala naman.
Ay, wala ko alam.
Biggest hit movie ninyo sa Regal?
Walang karansan, Bomba Star.
Dami.
Okay, biggest talent fee nyo sa
Ang dami,
Regal.
hindi ko rin maisip.
Ilang figures?
Maliit lang.
Biggest, Tito Boy,
Talent
sorry.
fee.
Ba?
500,000.
Wow.
Tama,
Naging
500.
boyfriend nyo sa Regal?
Albert Martinez.
Ako wala.
Guilty or not guilty? Humingi ng bonus kay Mother?
Ako.
Guilty.
May sinumbong na artista kay Mother?
Not guilty.
Tumakas sa shooting?
Guilty.
Pumasok na may hangover?
Not guilty.
Naging pasaway kay Mother?
Guilty.
One word, describe Mother.
Mabait, sobrang mapagmahal.
She is my Mother Lily, maternal.
Mahal ko si Mother Lily dahil?
Nag-iisa siya.
Nag-iisa siyang nagmahal sa akin at talagang tumulong mula sa
I second the
salamat,
motion.
Tess. maraming salamat.
Thank you, Tito
Kuya
Boy.
Boy.
At tayo'y nakikiramay po sa pamilya Monteverde. You have our love and respect. Maraming salamat. Naitay Kapuso, sa inyong pagpapatuloy sa amin araw-araw. Maraming salamat. Mahal ho namin si Mother Lily. She was a kind woman. And we will see you again tomorrow. Goodbye for now, and God bless.